Vacuum robots have always made trade-offs. Great suction? Sure, but hair tangles in the brush. Strong mop? Maybe, but you get streaky results. Now what if one robot fixed all of that, delivering powerful suction, fewer hair tangles, and a roller mop that scrubs and cleans as it goes? Hey there neighbors, I'm Ryan the Tech Guy and welcome back to This Smart House, your destination for the coolest new smart home gear and the best in smart automations. So today we're talking about the Ecovacs' latest flagship robot, the X9 Pro Omni. A robotic vacuum and mop that aims to deliver strong suction, better mopping, and fewer hair tangles, all in a single package.
And that is why the X9 might just earn the title of the master of both wet and dry cleaning.
If you've ever been let down by half-baked features before, this one might actually change your mind. I've covered just about every high-end vacuum robot that Ecovacs has put out in the last year or so, from the X2 Omni to the N50 and almost the full T-Series lineup, including the T20, T30, T50, and the recently released T80. And while the new X9 Pro Omni shares a lot of the hardware with the T80, there are a few key features that'll set it apart. In this video, I'll walk you through what's new, what's different, and whether it's worth that extra price tag. But before we jump in, another big thanks goes out to Ecovacs for sending over the robot and for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into the design updates. Now, one of the main unique features of the X9 is that the main brush, side brush, and roller mop are all part of what Ecovacs calls their triple lift system. This means each of them can be lifted automatically or lowered depending on the situation. So the mop will lift when transitioning onto carpet to avoid wetting the rugs. The main brush will lift out of the way during mopping to prevent contamination, and as mentioned before, the side brush will lift to avoid scattering debris. It's a pretty smart system that tailors cleaning to the environment in real time. Plus it's nice because other robots can only really vary the height using the wheels. This allows each of the three systems to work independently. At first glance, the X9 Pro Omni looks nearly identical to the T80. However, it comes with more of a premium feel, with an updated finish, a more advanced base station, and a few key upgrades. The footprint and layout are familiar, but the materials feel a bit more refined and the attention to detail is elevated. Now the robot comes in at the same height as the T80 at 3.86 inches or 98 millimeters. This is low enough to fit under most beds and some couches. The base station and robot both reflect a flagship tier aesthetic, more in line with what you'd expect with the price point. And the big standout feature of this year's models is the Ozmo Turbo 2.0 roller mop system, which we'll break down in detail here in just a minute. It is also important to note the X9 does include an upgraded camera array for advanced 3D sensing and navigation, and yet it still includes the LiDAR system on board for fast and accurate mapping, even in low light spaces. Now let's move over to the vacuum system and see how this all ties together. So the X9 Pro Omni includes what Ecovacs calls their BLAST system, which stands for Boosted Large Airflow Suction Technology. That's quite a mouthful. This delivers 16,600 pascals of power, but also moves air at 16.3 liters per second. We saw this originally on the T50 Pro Max, and that allows the robot to pull debris from even deeper down in your carpet. It also has the same Zero Tangle 3.0 main brush system. This uses a dual teeth array with anti-static V-shaped bristles that reduce the amount of hair that wraps around the roller. This has always been the #1 thing that stops robots and makes you have to do maintenance on them, is getting long hair wrapped around the edge of the shaft. So even in a house with folks with long hair, I found maintenance to be pretty minimal. Another feature that came over from the T80 is the Arc Clean anti-tangle side brush. But on this model, it can extend downward during edge cleaning. The Arc Clean uses a firmer brush design to flick debris in towards the vacuum path without getting it jammed up. It's also got this new design which prevents hair from being able to wrap around the shaft. If you've seen on traditional 3-edge brushes, hair can get wrapped completely around and entangle this brush. With this new design, the hair will slip off and move down towards the vacuum unit. The brush can also retract upward when it detects larger debris or uneven surfaces. This helps avoid scattering and allowing the main suction path to capture the mess more effectively. This adaptive response gives it a performance edge over simpler fixed brush systems. Now, on that previous note, let's take a look at the new roller mopping system. Now, the Ozmo roller mopping system in the X9 Pro Omni will deliver 2200 RPM of scrubbing power with about 3,700 grams of consistent downward pressure. Now, the cool thing about the Ozmo roller is that fresh water is dispensed in front of the roller while it's running, while dirty water and debris is collected from behind. This reduces streaks and cross-contamination. And what also sets it apart is that the mop continuously self-cleans during the cleaning process, not just when returning to base. But when it does return to the base station, it does get a deeper clean. This means you get better cleaning performance even over larger floor plans. It also brings back the True Edge 2.0 system from the T80, which combines edge sensors with a dynamically extending mop. So when the side sensor detects walls, baseboards, or chair legs, the roller will gently shift outward to get a closer clean. This is much better than traditional robots can, especially with a round shape. Now you'll really see this come in handy around things like table legs and cabinets. Another standout element of the system is its dry and wet separation system.
Another key part of the wet and dry separation system uses the triple lift feature to prevent messes from being spread around. For example, when encountering a liquid mess, it moves the side brush and main roller out of the way. Or when moving onto carpet, it lifts the mop up to prevent water transfer.
Dirty water and solid debris are kept in a separate container on the robot and inside the base station. This ensures the mop pads are always clean with fresh water and that waste is hygienically managed. This helps prevent cross-contamination and reduces overs over time. Now real quickly, if you're finding this breakdown helpful so far, all I ask is that you hit the like button. That helps me a lot. And if you love smart home gear and detailed looks like this, consider subscribing so you don't miss what's coming next. Now the Omni Station on the X9 Pro is one of the most fully featured bases available. It handles nearly every maintenance task for you automatically, helping the robot stay hands-free for longer stretches between cleanings. So here's a quick breakdown of what it does. A unique feature on this model is the dedicated cleaning solution reservoir that automatically adds just the right amount of floor cleaner to the robot's water tank, so you don't have to measure, refill, or even remember to do it later on. The system does wash the roller mop with clean water and scrapes it dry. It's nice because there's a separate little tray down here that can be removed. This is great for cleanup because that will get smelly after a couple months. As I mentioned before, it'll separate dirty water and solid waste using a dry and wet separation system. This prevents grime from being reused during cleaning. It also will wash the mop with temperature-controlled hot water ranging from 104 degrees Fahrenheit up to 167 degrees. It adjusts both temperature and washing cycles based on the dirt level and the room type. So this is where having an intelligent robot communicating with the base comes in handy. Then, once it's done cleaning the mop, it actually dries it using heated air at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This reduces smells and bacteria growth, which I've actually found in earlier models require some extensive cleaning of the base station to prevent that smell. It also automatically empties the onboard dustbin in the robot into a larger 3-liter disposable bag, which should last you up to about 60 or 90 days before needing a change. This really depends on how often you use the robot. And it refills the robot's onboard clean water reservoir from the tank here in the base station. Now they have slightly redesigned the tanks on this unit and the T80. I did like being able to see the tank levels from a distance, but I think they added this more for an aesthetic. You can also manually trigger cleaning, drying, or dustbin emptying directly from the app. So like the name of the base station, Omni, this thing can do everything. All this should give the X9 some of the lowest maintenance requirements on any robot. So just like the T80, the X9 Pro Omni uses a hybrid navigation system combining the embedded LiDAR with their Avi 3D 3.0, which uses a front-mounted camera and 3D structured light sensors. This lets it build precise maps of your home and intelligently navigate around everyday obstacles like toys, pet bowls, or things like socks. In my testing, the X9 was deliberate and responsive. It even updated the map in real time as furniture shifted or new zones were added. It'll even detect things like carpet and thresholds and add those into the app for you automatically.
The X9, just like the T80, both have the ability to use the onboard LED light to illuminate the area while cleaning in low light.
Now the X9 doesn't exhibit the same mapping quirks as I saw in the T80. It does not have the recalibration requirement when you lift the unit off the floor, which is great. That was kind of annoying on the T80. Now I noticed the X9 can smoothly navigate throughout my home, following the most efficient path and making smart decisions about room coverage and obstacle avoidance. The Ecovacs app gives you complete control over the X9 Pro Omni. You can edit room boundaries, label spaces, set no-go zones, and adjust water flow for different flooring. It also supports multi-floor mapping and displays real-time cleaning status in the app. Also from the app, you can control the view through the robot's camera. This allows you to manually drive it around the house and even check on pets or kids. You can also use the two-way audio that's built in to have a conversation with somebody in and around your home. Or scare your kids if you want to. You have full control over cleaning parameters like suction power, water flow rate, roller speed, and number of passes per each room. You have the option of cleaning the entire house, a specific set of rooms in a specific order, or draw a custom area on the map. The app will give you total flexibility. And as I mentioned before, it provides full manual control over the Omni station, letting you trigger dustbin empty, mop washing, or drying cycles all on demand. But of course, this is typically taken care of automatically. There are some advanced features like AI stain detection that are available in the lab section. This uses the onboard camera to recognize stubborn spills and automatically optimize the cleaning and mopping process for better results. One nice thing is the X9 does support Matter, making it easy to integrate into your existing smart home. I've got my X9 and my T80 both integrated into Home Assistant, and I have some limited control like starting and stopping the robot, checking its status, and changing the mode between mopping or vacuuming. The X9 is also equipped with their brand new Yeeco GPT voice assistant that lets you start a clean, return to base, or target specific rooms without even touching your phone. You can just give it a command like clean the kitchen, and it gets right to work. And you can also communicate with the AI in the app itself. Of course, there's the standard suite of integrations with Google Home and Alexa. So this is one of the few robot vacuums that offers smart platform support and onboard voice assistance, making it flexible and integratable into most any smart home. Now, another unique feature of the X9 Pro is what they call their EV-grade pouch battery. This is something similar to what we saw on the T50 Max Pro, but it's pretty unique on customer robot vacuums. This unit has a 6400 mAh battery that they claim offers 2.4 times the lifespan of traditional cylindrical cells. So this should provide a more consistent power output over the lifespan of the robot. So that way it should last a lot longer in your home. So in practical use, you can expect up to about 180 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This is of course under standard conditions. That's typically enough to clean my whole first floor, which should be pretty standard for a medium to large size home. And of course, if it runs low during a cleaning job, it'll automatically return to the docking station, recharge, and resume from exactly where it left off, without you needing to do anything. Now, combining the smart scheduling with the extended battery life makes the X9 a great fit for busier households or larger floor plans where cleaning often spans multiple rooms or surfaces. Now let's get to the most important point, the price. The X9 Pro Omni will retail for $1599, while the T80 comes in at $1199. That's a $400 difference. That may seem a little steep until you look at what it includes. With the upgrade on the X9, you're getting that advanced triple lift system, which allows the mop, main brush, and side brush to intelligently raise up and down depending on the surface type. You get the redesigned base station with a dry and wet separation and a built-in cleaning solution reservoir. You also get the refined matte exterior finish that leans a little bit more premium than the T80s. There's also an upgraded camera on board that does both color and depth. This all works in tandem with the LiDAR for a more accurate 3D navigation and mapping. And you get those advanced AI-powered features like onboard stain recognition and smarter path planning. So if you're someone that cleans often, lives in a multi-surface home, or just has a really busy lifestyle, you might want something that's truly hands-free. So these upgrades are definitely worth the added investment for you. So to wrap this all up, the Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni does feel like a flagship model made for people who want to have the most hands-free experience possible, along with all the latest tech. It scrubs floors better than most robots that I've tested, avoids hair tangles, navigates intelligently, and keeps itself clean with minimal input from you. I would say it's not a must upgrade if you have one of the latest versions of the T-Series, like 80 or 50, but if you're looking to upgrade an older robot or adding one for a new part of your house, then the X9's upgraded finish, advanced suction, smart voice control, and more capable base station do give it an edge. You'll have to determine if the $400 difference is right for you. So let me know down in the comments if you've experienced any of the new generation of roller mops. I've seen a ton of these at CES 2025 this year. Also, if you have any questions or happen to miss something, please let me know down in the comments as well. Now, of course, I've included links down in the description if you want to learn more about the X9 or check its current pricing. And be sure to check the pinned comment for any launch sale details. I know both the X9 and T80 are currently on sale for a limited time. So one more time, I want to give a big thanks to Ecovacs for sponsoring today's video and sending out these units for me to review. Now, all I ask is if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart home overviews like this one. And if there's a robot that you want me to test next, let me know down in the comments. Now, if you want to see my video on the T80 that I released last week, I've got it right over here. Or if you want to see all of my Ecovacs videos, I've got a link right here to a playlist. Now, I really appreciate you making it this far, and I'll see you on the next video.